Today we're making rainbow crafts. Pick a color for your mask. When you're done, we'll go and find your Easter holiday surprise.
Fast, fast, I can't go slow. There's a surprise I have to know. My mask is red. It's really cool. Making rainbow crafts at school. Step by step and hop by hop. I made mine orange from bottom to top.
Try again, try going slow. Step by step, works best you know.
Today we're making rainbow crafts. Pick a color for your masks. When you're done, we'll go and find your Easter holiday surprise. My mask is yellow. It's so cool. Making rainbow crafts at school. Step by step and hop by hop. I made mine green from bottom to top.
Trying again, try going slow. Step by step, works best you know.
Yay! My mask has blue. It's really cool. Making rainbow crafts at school. Step by step and hop by hop. Mine is indigo, bottom to top.
Violet's last, isn't it cool?
Making rainbow crafts at school. Step by step and hop by hop. I made a rainbow bottom to top. Today we made our rainbow crafts. Look at all our bunny masks. Now we're done, let's go and find our Easter holiday surprise. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet,